Okay, today we're going to do an unboxing video for Worx WRX 14-inch 36 centimeters. Takes 8 amps, the maximum. You cut up to 28 inches. I really wanted the 18-inch one, but it doesn't have a automatic oiling thing. The 18-inch and the 16-inch have automatic oiling, I believe. Bar chain oil. Bar and chain oil. I bought this extra quart. I don't know how much this one's going to give me. It's the Worx 305.1. The 16-inch and 18-inch both have the highest ratings just about on the internet. About a 4.5, but you do get some that don't work. The reason I didn't go with the internet is I had one of my trees fell in my neighbor's yard, and I want to hurry up and get it out of there. And I believe Home Depot sells them on the internet. Lowe's has the 14-inch inside the store for $49 and change, and so did Walmart. Had $49 and change, but Walmart seems to have the more liberal return policy. And I asked 3 different managers; they were all standing together. They said they had a 90-day return policy, so got a huge tree I gotta cut down, but I don't have a big yard. I don't plan on using it that much. It's gonna take extension cords to electric. So, also before I forget, at Home Depot, they have these specific chainsaw safety gloves. They have a thing called chaps, what you put around your legs and stuff like that. They have protective sleeves for the arm. You can do a hard hat, your gloves, your safety glasses. Before I forget to tell you, safety glasses that are like a metal mesh instead of clear plastic where they won't fog up. So I think a lot of the Worx have the bar on them already, but this didn't. You got to remember the orientation of the chain. You can't put the chain on backwards, and if you do, it won't cut. It won't cut right. So, looks like here's the bar direction. It's gonna slide that way. So this part goes last. The higher part goes last. See the higher part of the chain link. Don't get dirt in it. So it's got a little wrap tie there. Here's one of the direction things. More directions. I gotta read it all. It's the first time I've ever owned a chainsaw. I used one once when I was in my 20s, but now I'm in my 50s. I swore I'd never use another chainsaw, but this is electric for one thing. You're gonna have to pull start it. Here's the bulb. You're gonna have to put the chain. Like I say, the other ones are automatic. The other Worx 16-inch and 18-inch, I believe, are automatic oiling. This one you got to manual oil it. I'll have to read how often. When you take this off, put your blade on. Every once in a while, you got to take this off and clean it out, anyways. But it's automatic tensioner on this. People were complaining on the internet this is plastic. They said they don't have many spare parts and the brushes can burn out. Now the thing that was unclear, I don't think this has a chain. This does not have a chain lock. This is, I think it's just a static piece of plastic, where the 16-inch and 18-inch have chain locks. So if it bucks back up on you, see the chain was like this, the bar. If the saw bucks back up on you, goes towards your head, that your hand will force that to shut off. So that's what we got. I'll have to read it all and start using it. I'm gonna do more videos on it. Here's the inside of that. So it's a bolt, not a screw. Alright, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe.